been a while since I arrived in Argentina. It's much easier to live in a country where nobody knows you. Start over, you know. I got a job filming some short films and news. I was doing well, I think. One day, we filmed the process of how they made the fabric with weaver worms farms. I found it amazing. How knowing how to manipulate certain factors could have the desired product. My father was a kind of biologist. He knew about these things, rather than obsessing him. He always said that I ought to have perfect 100. I was 14. He was an idiot too. Yeah. But what we come for? The day I meet her. Florencia Fernandez, a dancer from one of our short films. I remember that she practiced a lot before recording, although she was not seen in the scenes. But even if the camera didn't see her, I did.
Esta mañana se ha informado sobre la desaparición de la señorita. Acercarse a la oficina de policía más cerca.
I remember asking her to go out to the end of the recordings. I'm surprised. She said yes. Things went well. Dates, dinner, etc. Like any relationship. We even went to see a race together. I didn't know she liked that kind of thing. In nature, those who are born weak die. You know, we all have a place. I have one. You have one. And the idiot learned his. And I understood. People seek to have the perfect product by nature. And Florencia, she was the perfect woman, and she was made for me. I can't let her get away for some reason. Just like the author in the silk cocoon, I have to keep her away from imperfection, to keep her pure. So, in the next shot, I waited for everyone to leave the place. I told Florencia to wait for me near some trees, to surprise her from behind, cover her face, and take her away. It was difficult at first. She was not happy with her new home. But as time went by, her struggle stopped. I knew that she began to understand what her goal was. Like me, we were going to have the perfect family. Well, that was the plan. Florencia was a happy and social person. Her accent was noted, and I couldn't keep going to work. Sometimes I miss her.